Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that owning a Tesla is finally possible. Not for $60,000, not for $40,000. Now here's the twist. Tesla hasn't officially released this car yet, but the leaks, patents, and insider rumors paint a picture that's almost too good to be true. We're talking about a compact electric vehicle designed to compete directly with Toyota, Honda, and even Hyundai in the affordable car market. But how is Tesla planning to pull this off when EV prices everywhere else are going up? To understand that, we have to rewind to 2020, when Elon Musk stood on stage at Tesla AS Battery Day and made a promise that shocked the world. We were working on a $25,000 Tesla. The crowd went wild, but then, silence. Years passed. No car, no prototypes, just whispers. Many thought it was another impossible dream. But now, in 2025, Tesla is closer than ever to turning that dream into reality. Sources inside Tesla's Gigafactory in Mexico and the US hint that production lines are being re-engineered for something smaller, faster to build, and way cheaper to produce. And that's where the magic starts. Because this new car, often called the Model 2, or Model Q, could change everything about how Americans think of electric cars. Think about it. Tesla's biggest problem has always been price. Sure, the Model 3 and Model Y are popular, but $40,000 to $50,000 isn't exactly affordable for the average American. Tesla needed something that the masses could buy. Something that could replace the Corolla, the Civic, the small SUV parked in every American driveway. And this $25,000 car could be that exact vehicle. Now, the secret behind this project isn't just the design. It's what's underneath. Tesla ICES plan to use its next-generation battery technology. Could be the biggest game-changer yet. These new batteries are designed to be cheaper to produce, last longer, and charge faster, all while reducing Tesla's costs by up to 50%. In other words, the very thing that made electric cars expensive might no longer be a problem. Imagine charging your car for a few dollars at home. No gas, no oil changes, no expensive maintenance. That's the kind of freedom Tesla wants to bring to millions of people. But here's the suspense. If this car is so good, why hasn't Tesla released it yet? The answer lies in Tesla's strategy. See, Tesla doesn't rush, it dominates. They've been watching other brands flood the market with cheap EVs that promise the world but deliver disappointment. Poor range, slow charging, and cheap interiors. Tesla knows that if they enter this space, they have to crush the competition, not just compete. That's why this project has been under wraps for so long. And get this, early reports suggest the $25,000 Tesla could have a range of over 250 miles on a single charge. That's more than some cars double its price. Combine that with Tesla's supercharger network, and suddenly, road trips and daily commutes become effortless. No more waiting hours to charge. Just plug in, grab a coffee, and go. But here's where things get really interesting. Tesla might not call it the Model 2 after all. Rumors suggest it could get an entirely new name to mark the start of Tesla's next generation. Possibly something designed to appeal to younger, first-time car buyers. Tesla wants this to be your first car, not your dream car. And if you think Tesla's about to cheap out on design, think again. Spy renders show a sleek, futuristic hatchback with minimalist styling. Sharp LED lights, aerodynamic curves, and that signature Tesla front end. It's small enough to park in a tight city space, but bold enough to look like it belongs in 2030. Now, let's talk features, because Tesla isn't just selling a car, they're selling technology. The $25,000 Tesla is expected to include autopilot capability, Tesla Vision cameras, and a fully digital interior similar to the Model 3, but optimized for simplicity and affordability. Picture one center screen controlling everything. No buttons, no clutter, just clean and futuristic. And if you're wondering how Tesla can possibly sell it this cheap, here's the trick. Manufacturing innovation. Tesla's new gigacasting process allows them to build entire sections of the car as a single piece, reducing complexity, weight, and cost. Combine that with cheaper, locally produced batteries, and suddenly, the math makes sense. But the biggest question remains, will Americans actually buy it? Of course, not everything is guaranteed. Tesla faces fierce competition, from Chevrolet's Bolt replacement to China's BYD electric compacts. These companies are hungry to claim the same market Tesla is eyeing. But Tesla has one advantage none of them do. It's brand power. When people think electric, they think Tesla. So, if this $25,000 Tesla truly launches at the end of 2025 or early 2026, it won't just compete. It could dominate. It could make gas cars look outdated overnight. Dealerships across the US might suddenly face their worst nightmare: a Tesla in every neighborhood. But here's the final twist. Elon Musk once hinted that this car could eventually drive itself entirely. Yes, you heard that right. A fully autonomous vehicle for under $30,000. It sounds crazy, but then again, so did reusable rockets, mass-market EVs, and cars with no engine noise. And yet, here we are. So, as we head into the end of 2025, one thing is for sure. The world's most affordable Tesla could also be its most disruptive. It might not just change how we drive. It could change who gets to drive electric. Because for the first time ever, the dream of owning a Tesla might not be for the rich, but for everyone. And that brings us back to the big question. Will this $25,000 Tesla really change everything? Or will it become another promise lost to hype? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. When Elon Musk says he is about to revolutionize an industry, the world listens. Stay tuned, because what's coming next might just rewrite the history of the American road. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit the like button. It helps the channel more than you think. And if you love staying ahead of the curve on cars, tech, and the future of driving, subscribe. Right now, because the next few months are going to be wild. So, what do you think? Would you buy a $25,000 Tesla? Let us know in the comments below, because this could be the start of something massive.